Many people want to get in shape and improve their health but have a difficult time maintaining a regimen that works for them. When you don't feel like making it to the gym, do these simple exercises at home. Stand straight, keep your feet close together and arms to your side. Next you got to jump, bring your feet apart and bring your hands over your head. Then turn back to the starting position by jumping and bring your feet back together and arms back to the side. Gradually increase the speed. Do this for 20 seconds, then relax for 10 seconds. Repeat this 10 more times. Perform this exercise twice daily. This exercise will not only help to increase height, it also aids in weight loss. It helps to burn excess calories, also help improve your flexibility. It helps improve muscle tone, thereby shaping your thighs, buttocks, calves, shoulders and arms. It will improve your balance, stability and stamina. Get down on your hands and knees. Your hands should be in front of your shoulders. Raise your knee from the floor. Your tailbone should be lifted towards the ceiling. Push your heels towards the floor gently. This will help to stretch the hamstring. Stay in this position for 10 seconds. Repeat this 5 more times. This exercise improves stretchability, which includes arms, legs, back, calves and hamstrings. And a well-stretched body is a taller body. Jumping rope is a great calf exercise. It is a great fat burner, cheap and can be performed just about anywhere. Initially do this for 30 to 50 times every day. After practicing, increase number to 100 to 200 times daily. Also helps to work out for forearm, thighs and abdomen. Length of the rope matters. Length of rope should be according to your height. Jump only to pass the rope and the jump should not be higher than 1 inch above the ground. Jogging in one place can be an effective way to burn calories. Warm up with a light jog. Lift your feet only an inch off the ground in the beginning. The more you move your body, the more calories you'll burn. Lift your knees higher to increase your heart rate. Increase your speed as well. The faster you jog in place, the more intense your workout will be. Jog for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. It is important to do it at an intensity that gets your heart pumping. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching the video.